Hello and welcome to 80shorror.net, where you can watch over 600 full-length 80s horror movies. Today I'm just going to give you a short guided tour around the site so that you can better navigate and find the movies that you'd like to watch. So starting out, we have two features. You can either search for the movie that you'd like to watch, or you can use the year path here, where you can just choose the year that you'd like to view and then watch the movies that were released in that year. So for example, let's pick 1985. Now here we have an alphabetical listing of all the movies that were released in 1985. You can see here if we have the full film entitled by either yes or no. You can scroll down, find the movie that you'd like to watch, see if it's available in full, click the link. So here I'm clicking on Creature, and as you can see we have the title, the synopsis, and the full-length feature here. So just go ahead and click the play button, and up will pop a iframe with the movie, which should play automatically. The full-length movie is available for you here to go around and select the area that you'd like to watch. You can just click off of that, go back to anything else you'd like to see, or you can visit us on the multiple social networks that we are available in. So thanks for watching, and please enjoy the site.